My name is Nawaf Abbasi. I'm basically from Iraq, living here in Peshawar. Basically, I'm an educationist, but turned to a businessman. I have been in Saudi Arabia in Islamic University, Medina Munawwara. After graduation, I came here to work in teaching Arabic language. So I spent here in this job about 15 years between teaching and management, school management. Then after that, I got married here from Pakistan in Peshawar, and then I stay here and got nationality of Pakistan. And I found here there is no falafel. And I came to know the story of Dubai, Dubai-based company. It's named Just Falafel. They have opened 400 branches in India. So I thought, why not in Pakistan? And I knew how to make falafel. Response was very good. Whenever they eat falafel, we used to ask them, how was the taste, how was the service, how was the, so they used to appreciate the taste and say, wonderful taste. I got the opportunity to live in Turkey, to live in UK, but I could not leave Pakistan because I love this country and love people. And mashallah, there is freedom here, and I can do anything, business especially.